Hi everyone, here is Mohsin from Petronics. So in this video I will give you the demo of a campaign planner solution that we have built inside Podio, and that solution can be used by any business that want to do their marketing through SMS, email or voicemail. And we believe that through that campaign solution I have listed down the features that you can achieve through that campaign planner. Number one is that you can get rid of many other expensive tools that you are using for marketing. We can customize it for you according to your needs. We can integrate it with any SMS, email, or voicemail service provider. The campaign is capable of running on a very huge number of leads that you can upload using Excel sheet. We can install this workspace in your system within 1 day, and then you can start your marketing through that campaign planner. We have implemented that campaign in many industries. Some of the industries are real estate, solar energy, fast food industry. We have implemented that campaign in the many of the IT companies which are doing their marketing through this campaign planner app. And this campaign is already tested and working fine in current client workspaces. So now I will move to my Podio system for the demo. So basically three apps are using in this campaign planner. One is the lead source app, second is the campaign planner app, and third is the counties app. So lead source is basically the app where you can upload your leads with which you want to start your marketing through SMS, email or voicemail. And in the counties app you can upload your counties list. Counties is basically the different areas, and here this is for each county there will be a campaign. So let's suppose there are 5 counties, so there will be 5 campaigns inside this campaign planner app. So let's suppose you upload 1,000 lead inside this lead source, and that leads belong to county Albany NY John. So now if I open that campaign Albany NY John, here you can see the campaign name. You can place that campaign name over here, and you can attach the specific county of that campaign. Here will be the campaign phone number, and that phone number will be used for sending the SMS or voicemails. For each campaign that phone number may be different, or you can keep the same phone number, but when there are a lot of leads that belong to one campaign, you must use separate phone number for each campaign, because you know that many of the service provider do not allow to send messages like Twilio allow only 200 messages per hour. So if you will use separate campaign phone number for each campaign, then your messages can go easily. Then inside a campaign you can define the number of messages per day. So here I define 5 messages per day. So let's suppose you upload 1,000 lead in this lead source. So 5 message means only to 5 leads whose phone number are present inside this lead source or email address is present. And so in 1 day only these 5 leads message will be sent. You can set any number of messages but less than 1,000 over here. Then you can select the campaign dates, the dates within which this campaign will run, and then you can select the scheduled days, the days on which this campaign will run. So I have set here Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. So it means that first 5 leads will get the message on Tuesday, then this campaign will run on Wednesday, then Thursday will be missed, and then the next 5 leads will get their messages on Friday. So here you can select the next run date. So whatever campaign date. So I have started this campaign from 7th of March. Today is 7th of March. So next run date will be 8th of March. So on 8th of March, the day is Monday. So when this campaign will run, it will check that either Monday is in the scheduled days or not. So here you can see that Monday is not in the scheduled days, so it will skip that day. And here next run date will be 9th, and then on the Tuesday this campaign will run, and it will send 5 message to the leads. So we have also given option inside this marketing follow-up. So total of 5 messages. We can customize it for you, and you can define any number of messages over here. So here is the message types. You can either send SMS or email or voicemail. So if you select SMS here, you need to give the body of the SMS inside this SMS multi-line field. And if you select email, you need to give the email subject and email body. And if you select the voicemail, then you need to give the voicemail ID over here. And that voicemail, for this we can integrate with Slack broadcast or smartphone. And for email you can use globe email or other service. And for SMS there are a lot of services with which we provide the integration, like Root, Twilio, smartphone for Podio, and Corrail. So we can integrate any of the service for you. So for example, you apply 1000 lead over here that belong to a particular county, and you are executing that campaign with these 1000 lead, and you have defined number of messages per day 5. So what will happen? First of all, it will send message 1 to all these 1000 leads, but only 5 SMS per day. So once all the 1000 leads will get these first follow-up, means this SMS has been sent to all these 1000 leads, then your second follow-up will be started with these leads. So now email will be sent to these 1000 leads. Each day only 5 leads will get these email, and it will also run on the specific days. Then all the 1000 lead once completed with the second follow-up, then it will start executing third follow-up, and it will send voicemail to all these 1000 leads. So here you can see that from here you can also see the status of your uh, campaign. So if your campaign is on message 1, so it means that your campaign status is message 1, and currently your leads are getting message 1. So once message 1 is completed on all the leads, then that message 2 will be sent, and message 2 may be of 3 type. Either it may be SMS type, or maybe email type, or maybe voicemail type. Similarly, then message 3 will be sent to all the leads, then message 4, message 5, and then that campaign will be end. So if you want to stop the campaign, here is a button to stop the campaign. And if you want to remove any of the lead from the campaign, then here will be a button, remove from campaign. Yes, you can click on this button, and that lead will be removed from the campaign. So let's suppose you are executing campaign on your leads, and you get a message from your lead, you get a response from your lead, and you want to remove that lead from your campaign. You can simply click on this remove from campaign button. Yes, and now the messages will be stopped on that particular lead. And another system or feature that we have implemented is that whenever you will get a response from your lead, this campaign will automatically be stopped with that lead Either this response may be positive or negative. So let's suppose if you are executing campaign and someone says that I do not want to get messages from you, that response came back from the lead, then that lead will be removed automatically from the campaign. And if you get some positive message, then you can also remove that lead from the campaign by just clicking. And you can also know from this follow-up drip campaign section that currently your lead is on which campaign status, means either it is on message 1 or message 2, or all the campaign has been completed with that particular lead. So here you can see that this is the best campaign planner structure that have been prepared inside the Podio, and there are a lot of customization options are present, like you can select specific dates between which this campaign will run. You can select the scheduled days on which this campaign will run. You can select the number of, you can send um, messages to these leads from a particular campaign, and you can remove, you can stop campaign, as well as you can select here the number of messages per day. You can select 100 messages per day, so 100 leads will get uh, will execute. So this campaign will be executed on 100 leads per day. So also another feature that we have implemented, so let's suppose you upload 1000 lead over here inside this lead source app, and almost 100 leads don't have phone number in them. So this campaign planner is smart enough to skip these leads and cover only those leads which have phone number or email in them. So if we have implemented, as I have told in the features of this campaign planner, that we have implemented this campaign in many of the industries, and this campaign is working and completely tested. We have implemented that campaign in the industry of real estate, in the industry of solar energy, for many IT companies, and they are get benefits from this campaign. And it is also very cheap as compared to the other tools that have been used by the clients for this type of complex campaign and this type of customized campaign. We can also customize this campaign according to your needs. So if you want to implement that campaign in your system, you can ask us. We will implement that campaign in your system within 1 to 2 days. So thanks for watching this video. If you need any help, you can contact us at petronix.com. Bye bye.